Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix a missing or fail to load Onlinefix64.dll on your system, Windows 11 or Windows 10. So here, thank you for us to provide this article. So here there is some method that you can try. The first method, check if your Windows Defender delete the file. So you can open Windows Defender or Windows Security from System Tray. This is the shield icon. You can double click and you can go to the protection history and click on filters. Here you can click quarantine item. If the Onlinefix64 dynamic link library file in here, you can try to restore it. Next, here you can try to disable your antivirus when you try to reinstall or install the software or games. You can turn off antivirus temporarily. And next, you can reinstall. Here you can go to the control panel, identify the faulty games or software that causing fail to load, and you can right click and select uninstall. Or you can go to the dll.me.com to manually file replacement. You can get the legitimate copy of the Onlinefix64.dll file, and you can go pass into your system or go to the location where the missing Onlinefix64.dll files reside. Method 5, run sfc. Here you can type sfc #scan now in the command prompt. You can go to the cmd, click cmd, type cmd and run as administrator, click yes, and sfc scan now, enter until the process is done. This process is to scan your corrupted system file or missing system files. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and so click this button below. See you in the next video.